time to talk about the power supply in this thing. This is the original power supply out of the 1040 ST, and it's got a couple of problems. One is at least one of these capacitors is bulging and needs to be replaced. I could take care of that, but it's also a UK power supply, which means 220 volts. I could use my step-up transformer and I could make this work, but it's kind of a hassle. Or I could modify this and hack it together to try to make it work at 110, but I really don't like hacking high-power electronics like that. It just doesn't feel safe. So the problem becomes what to do with this. And I think the right answer is to toss it and start clean with this, which is a Pico ATX power supply. So this takes 12 volts in from a barrel jack and then spits out a whole bunch of different voltages, including the ones we need. So I've already hacked together a cable here that will pull out all of the voltages I require and allows me to use the original power strip to turn things on and off. So hopefully this will work well. The upshot here is the machine will be converted to 12 volt power, and that will work physically anywhere with pretty commonly available wall warts.